All right, you know, I'm gonna make a cocktail with triple sec today, but should I make it with gin or maybe some rum? You know, they're both really, really good. I'm just not sure. Maybe I'll add vodka to this. Oh, you just can't go wrong here. And I think maybe some tequila, or maybe I'll just have them all. Let's get into it. Great to have every single one of you back here today. We are going to have an epic cocktail battle. We're going to take two Long Island iced tea variants and we're going to build them side by side and taste them head to head and see which one is better. What I'm going to do is put the ingredients and the method of how to make them down in the description down below, so if you want to play along you can check that out. Also, if you do decide to try these at a later date or anytime, please leave a comment down below and let us know which one you think is the best and why. So the first thing we need is 2 shaking glasses. And then I'm going to tell you that the cocktails that we're going to work on are the Adios Motherf ker and the Tokyo Tea. 2 totally different tasting cocktails, even though they are nearly identical in creation. So grab your jigger. Now, this is mostly equal measurement. However, you can choose to scale this up from ½ ounce to 3/4 of an ounce to an ounce, depending on your preferences. Make sure you're not going anywhere and just enjoy yourself. So first thing we need is some triple sec. And I'm going to do this in the ½ ounce increments because I'm going to be drinking both of these and then editing the video. Oh yeah, it has begun. Now this cocktail and the ingredients in them are considered the 5 whites. The next thing you'll use is some gin. And choose the gin of your choice because you want something that's going to work well with all of the ingredients put together. ½ an ounce or 15 mils. Next, you're going to grab the white rum of your choice. Now you could probably go with a different type of rum, but it will change the overall flavor. And this cocktail was designed with a white or silver rum. And for this, I'm going to use Havana Club 3-year-old. ½ an ounce or 15 mils. Not bad, not bad. Next, vodka of your choice. I'm gonna use Heretic Spirits. This is a local vodka to me. I'm almost done, I'm gonna have to get some more. We need 15 mils or ½ an ounce. The next thing will be your tequila of choice. In this case, I'm using Altos Olmeca. It's a tequila I really, really enjoy. Grab something that you like, ½ an ounce or 15 milliliters. Oh yeah, it smells great. Now, the next thing that we're going to need is some lemon. So grab a lemon, and this is where it gets a little bit different. So for the Adios Motherf ker, you need 3/4 of an ounce of lemon. And for the Tokyo Tea, you need ½ an ounce or 15 mils of lemon juice. Yeah, but this here, we don't need this now. The next thing you need is some simple syrup, and we're going to do equal amounts of simple syrup equal to the amount of lemon juice. So for the Adios Motherf ker, we need 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 mils. And for the Tokyo Tea, we need ½ an ounce. Yeah, looking really good. Now, you're almost there. You can see slight differences in the color. However, we're going to use now Blue Curacao and a melon liqueur. Some people will use Midori, depending on what you have available to you. For these, we are both going to use ½ an ounce or 15 milliliters. Oh yeah, look at those colors. Oh, you can't go wrong, can you? Nuclear winter happening right here. You're gonna add ice to both of these and you're gonna shake them for a good 10 to 15 seconds. Slam your lids on shake them both with a smile. Yeah, look at that. Pop these off, 1,000 oranges, and the strength of 1,000 green things. This is perfect. Move here. Now, got a little bit of stuff right here, just clean that up. I'm going to use 2 fine highball glasses. Now we need to use ice, so what I'm going to use is a pair of ice pillars. Oh yeah, look at those. They are simply pretty. This is going to be a gorgeous little cocktail setup. And we're going to start with the Tokyo iced tea. Our Adios Motherf ker. Oh, look at those, absolutely gorgeous. And we're gonna garnish these. We're gonna cut one little ice slice, or lemon slice to be more specific. And I'm gonna Pac-Man it because I still can't slice anything decently. I'll get this out of the way because, you know, you don't wanna see that. And we'll cut that again. Cut this in half, give this a cut, and another cut, using your tongs. And last but not least, we are going to garnish this with a nuclear red maraschino cherry. Why? Because we have them available, and it's just going to give us that little bit of something. Look at those. So which one should I go first? Yeah, whatever. I'll just start with this one. The Tokyo tea. So it smells good. I can smell the tequila. It is sweet. I get the lemon from it. I get a little hint of melon. That's really good. You can taste the alcohol in it. You definitely get hints of the rum, the vodka, the gin, and the tequila. You even get the hints of orange, which you would think might be overwritten by everything, but no, you do get those through. Oh. It is just sweet enough. Let's try the Adios Motherf ker. I immediately get a little bit of orange and lemon because of the orange curacao. Ooh, that's good. It is a little bit less alcohol forward, but not a lot. And it is a little bit sweeter than the Tokyo tea, but part of that's because we added less lemon juice and less sugar to this. Both very, very good. I like the aesthetics of the blue one, I really do. I like the aesthetics of this. I can't go wrong with the looks of either of these cocktails. I think I prefer the Adios Motherf ker. I'm really curious to know, every one of you, your choice and which one you think is better. But these are both really, really good. I'm double fisting it this afternoon. So you have a great afternoon. Let me know what you think of these cocktails down in the comments below. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, every time we put up a new video, you will be notified. And if you'd like to help support the channel, please check us out at patreon.com/booze on the rocks, because every little bit helps us to bring these videos to you. You have a great night. Now, I would really like it if you have the chance to not sound like an idiot. Is we're going to add fucking